How to reinstall graphics driver display driver on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Click on search icon at bottom left corner and you need to search for device driver or simply device manager and click open button. From this section, you simply need to click on display adapters, double click on it and you have to choose Enter USD Graphics option. Right click on it. Now click Update Driver option. And here you will get the option to browse My Computers for driver. Click on it to locate and install a driver manually. Choose the option for Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. This list will show available drivers compatible with the device and all drivers in the same category as the device. Now, under Model, you will see Compatible Hardwares. Simply click on particular one and click on Next button. You have to continue the same process for all of these compatible hardwares. And once you have done that, you will successfully reinstall graphics driver, display driver on Windows. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.